Okay, so we're going to use Excel to find some measures of central tendency in this data set, which is, if you're interested in its provenance, found here. Okay, it is the interstellar travel customer satisfaction analysis. It's exploring the stars. It's a machine learning data set to help us understand customer satisfaction in travel off Earth. Okay, so I downloaded this data set from here. It comes as a package file. You extract it after running a virus scan, as always, for anything you download from the internet. And then you open it up in your Excel workbook program and you insert some summary statistics in here. So I could do this a number of ways in Excel. There's always multiple ways to get to a single objective. So I could come on over here and I could pull my functions in directly. Okay, I just went and I went in a cell and I clicked on my summary statistic function drop down. Okay, I could click on more here, come on in statistical, get my average if I wanted that way. Instead this time I'll do the median, see what that is. For this column of data. Okay, label these really quickly. Average, median. Thank you, Excel. I'll also do minimum and maximum equals mode. Okay, in this instance, we'll go boom. Right now, it's going to take a few minutes to run this than the others because it actually has to physically count each of the records and see how many there are. So once that returns, we'll have a better idea. All right, there we go. So 102 is also the most frequent observation in our data set. We've got our minimum across the data and our maximum data. There we go. So let's also do our number of records, observations. I'm going to add count A because I want to know how many are in blank, just to ensure I don't count any zero cells. Okay, so it looks like there's 500,000 records. This is the number of records. Right. So that is the quickest way I can find some summary statistics about a given set of data or given column within my array. I could have done this. I can create this quick little heading here so that I know that this is customer